Now the second part of the question, you have said that you are going to put, you are proposing 13 new jetties. Is any study been made for the 13 jetties? And the second part and the last part of the question, you have said in the details E, you have said that under 50% of central funding, you want to have Shapura River western side Shioli. Now that tender was taken under WRD, whether it is duplication of work Zaidmoon or whether, one second, whether we want clarification on this point, because you have said that you are taking it under national highways. And national highway माचती दिना काय सगळी आमकां कितें प्रोटेक्शन जावपा जाय थिंगा national waterways ते हँडओवर करून.
National waterways आहा पळय तांचे by act of parliament the rivers, 7 rivers in Goa has been notified as a rivers of national importance. आता हे करता आसतना आमी हो विशय कन्सर्न मिनिस्ट्री कडेन येल्लो, हांवेनूय येल्लो तेन्ना हांव डिफेन्स मिनिस्टर आशिल्लो तेन्ना, आनी आमकां एक एश्युरन्स मेळ्ळेलें की जरी त्यो नॅशनल इम्पॉर्टन्स रिवरवेज आसल्यो तरी सुद्दां ताजे जे ऑपरेशनल एक्सरसाइज आसतलो तो गोंय सरकाराच्या हातानूच आसतलो. Accordingly, a tripartite agreement, the central government agency is notified as MPT, Indian Water IWA, ताजी आणि आमचे गोवा गव्हर्मेंट अशे तिगांचो ट्रायपार्टाइट एग्रीमेंट MOU हो सायन जावपाचो. सगळे पॉयंट सॉर्ट आउट जाल्यार फक्त 2 पॉयंटाचेर डिस्कशन चालू आहा. इनफॅक्ट दे आर टुडे इन द टाउन. I think in next 1 or 2 months that MOU will be signed.
And if any private party is willing to go in the hinterland and take these passengers right up to Panjim, there will be a lot of decongestion of the roads because we are blessed with these rivers. Let us make the full use of them. This is my request to the government.
Honorable member kade jar aso kon party asa who is ready, we are ready to discuss and float a RFP for such project. Infrastructure je asa jettinche that we undertake to build, but operation of a wafor आता तो वापर नाही, आता कितें जी कॅटामॅरन किंवा कसली बोट आहा ती जर प्रायवेट पार्टी करपाक तयार आसा जाल्यार वी कॅन डेफिनेटली कन्सिडर द प्रपोजल.